We surveyed a road and we gathered some information about that road, the problems and everything. We went and interviewed some people, asked them are you facing some problems. We wanted to take all of these to the corporator, but we couldn't meet her as she ignored us. So we went and met the MLA, that is Ravi Subramania. He said that he'll solve the problems as soon as possible. And like these, there are many roads in Bangalore which are bad. So we wanted to collect all the information about all the roads, and we wanted to meet the mayor. And we did meet the mayor. We went with Samaya News and met the mayor and asked him to solve these problems. First, he didn't take it seriously, but later on, when we told about the problems, he took it seriously and he promised us that he would solve some of the problems. Now my friend Manoj Aram is going to tell some of the problems on the road.
Good morning. My name is Manoj. Reason for choosing the road which we have selected connects Muskerelli and Girinagar. The road has many problems, like there are so many loose stones and manholes. Due to the lack of street lights, chain snatching and robbery will happen.
Silence, please.
And left side to the drainage, there are bigger gutter. There are many insects and this is the black mud road in our neighborhood. Hence we choose this road for our project initially. We would rate this road as for 10 marks we can give 1. And we made road survey. The road length was 1067 feet and width 29.4 feet. And bridge connecting to the next road was the length. Its bridge length was 29.4 feet. And width was 3 feet, and height is 3 feet. And all of the members worked very hard. By the help of Sachin, we met all the higher authorities like MLA Ravi Subramania, Mayor and Samaya News. Next my friend Sachin will continue.
Good morning everybody, my name is Sachin. It was not possible to meet MLA easily. I contacted him more than 10 to 15 times. At last, he gave an appointment. We went with Samaya News. Samaya News was a main support to meet the mayor and chief minister also. Next level, we are going to chief minister and deputy chief minister. We will select or we will win or lose. We promise to mayor we will clear all the problems of the Bangalore and all the problems faced by all the peoples. We brought some information from the mayor and Ravi Subramania MLA, member of Legislative Assembly. It was not possible to meet Samaya News. It was an added bonus to our team. When we met MLA, he was also there with cameraman and senior reporter Srinath Joshi and head of research Samaya News Nagaraj Dixit. He was the main support to us. We done a bulletin for the Samaya News for the children, by the children, to the children. It was not possible to meet Chief Minister. He told, I will take to the Chief Minister, you talk and you solve the problems of the Bangalore. Thank you. Next, my friend Darshan and Yashwant coming to tell problems of the road.
My name is Yashwant. The problems that were noted when we went for road survey, there was no proper road length. There were open gutters, open sewers. There was no proper place for the vehicles to be parked, and there was no installation for speed breakers. There was often robbery going there, and now my friend Darshan is saying solutions for this problem.
The road should be widened as the high trucks will also move in that. There are no footpaths to park, and there is a big garbage which will be covered and made vehicles to move on it. And there is no proper road which is not built in that. And now my friend Suman will say.
Thank you, Darshan. Now I'm going to
people's problems facing on the road. The people, they complained about that there was lot of garbage and drainage problem. Electricity was not supplied at proper times, and the people used to suffer without water supply. And the people did not know whom to complain and what to do. So we went and surveyed that road, and we got to know their problems, and we complained it to the mayor and the MLA, and now they are taking action. Now my friend Prahlad and Simon.
Good morning everybody. My name is Sai Swarup and my name is Prahlad and he is my friend Sai Swarup. We are here to speak about the development of the road which we surveyed.
There are many changes on the road. Like the garbage is taken out. The garbage is taken out every day by the BBMP officials.
But now the road has been asphalted and the tar is thick and the gutter problem.
Yes, the tar is thick. We even met a civil engineer. He said that this road is durable for another 4 years.
There is also a gutter problem, a big gutter on that road. But when we met MLA, he said that the gutter will be completely closed in 4 months, and he also told that it will take 100 working days to close the gutter, and this work is also started. And it can be completed as soon as possible if rain does not play its tricks. And another problem, main problem is the problem of the street lights. It is one of the problems which is not completely solved, but we are expecting that it will be solved in a span of months.